Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Jasmine, aka Dash of Jazz, and I talk all about cooking, traveling, and living well. Today we're in my kitchen because I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite smoothies for summer. I call it the Barbie smoothie because it's hot pink. It's made with dragon fruit, aka red pitaya, and a few other simple but powerful superfood ingredients. Let's get into the recipe. For this recipe, you will of course need some fresh or frozen red pitaya. It's really hard to find fresh in my area, so I found a bag of cubed frozen, which is great because I won't need to add ice to this smoothie because some of the fruit is frozen. You also want some fresh mint leaves, strawberries, and chunks of mango, 1 cup of each. Fresh or frozen is fine. Coconut water for our liquid, and some fresh lime juice. Last ingredient, fresh ginger. In a pinch, you could use powdered ginger, and I'll give you some tips on the proportions for that later. The only tool we're gonna use is a sharp knife. I've linked this one in my description for this video because it is my favorite knife. Cutting board to put everything on, and then of course a blender. If you want to see more recipes like this one, make sure you give this video a thumbs up to let me know. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I promise to get back to you as soon as possible. Lastly, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I put out fresh new recipes and content like this every single week. Thank you for watching.